Welcome to Lesson 8. In this lesson, we will learn a new long vowel. We have already learned two vowels. A is a long vowel. A is a short vowel. The vowel we are learning today is like a long vowel, and its name is U, which has two forms. If it comes at the beginning, it looks like this. To write this form, we draw a straight vertical line that starts from above the baseline and goes straight down. Then we draw a small circle on this line like this and attach a shape like re to it. We call this uy avval or first U. If it doesn't come at the beginning, it looks like this. We call this uy dovom or the second U. Pay attention when writing U, the circle should be on the line. Uy avval appears at the beginning of a word, but it's not used that much in Farsi. We use uy dovom much more often. Now, let's make a few words with U. Before we create the words, let's first read these. This is B attached to U. It becomes bu, nu, du, ru, zu, mu, lu, tu, su. Alright, let's make a word. For example, here we have la. I will write this la here. L, a is la. Now I will add a bu to it. Which one is bu? This one. See, by putting these together, you can form a word. It becomes labu. You probably know that labu is boiled beetroot. I want to write zanbur. Let's break it down. Zanbur. It has two syllables. The first syllable is zan. The second syllable is bur. Now, how do we write zan? Z-a-n. It becomes zan. How do we write bur? B-u-r. I will write it down. B uy dovom. We mostly use uy dovom. And r, zanbur. The next word. I haven't written the letters with a here because we have repeated it a lot and I think you've learned a by now. De a becomes da. Now I'll add this ru next to it. What does it become? Daru. Daru is what a doctor gives to a sick person to feel better. Daru. I want to write Suzanne. Let's break it into syllables. Suzanne has two syllables. The first syllable is su. How to write su? It's right here. S, u, which becomes su. The second syllable is zan. Zan is z, a, n. Suzanne. I'm going to write another word that I think you'll know. I want to write samanu. You've probably had samanu, which is part of the haftzin table. Let's break it down. Sa-ma-nu has three syllables. The first syllable is sa. How to write sa? Here we have sa. It's s and a. The second syllable is ma, which is m and a. It becomes ma. The third syllable is nu. How to write nu? It's n-u. So You see how easy it is. If you learn these, you can learn Farsi very quickly. It becomes samanu. Alright, I'll repeat these once more. Labu. L-a becomes la, b-u becomes bu, labu. Zanbur. Z-a-n becomes zan, b-u and r becomes bur. Daru. D-a-r and u becomes daru. Suzan. S and u, su, z-a-n, zan, Suzan. Samanu. 3 syllables. S-a becomes sa, m-a becomes ma, n-u becomes nu. Samanu. Alright, write each of these lines twice. See you in the next lesson.